Okay, we're going to use the box method to solve the different kind of a problem. In this particular one, 9 is what percent of 36? Well, it's pretty obvious what we're missing. On this one, we're missing the percent. So once again, let's put the box. We'll put the box method right over here, or the box right here. Use the box method. 9 is what percent of 36? Is always relates to the part, of always relates to the whole. So in the, well, I should put the, let me put the, okay, we'll start that over. That veggie burger was too good. Okay, we're going to use the box method again. And again, this time a little bit different problem. 9 is what percent of 36? So what are we looking for? We're going to use the box method again. So we'll draw the box over here. Make sure that we follow that, because that's our key. We have to follow and put everything in the correct place. We're going to put the part in the top left, the whole in the bottom left, the percent here, and 100 here. Once we get those in, then we can follow the procedure. 9 is what percent of 36? So let's look at our box. Let's see, 9 is always relates to the part. So the part goes upper left, 9 here. Is what percent? Wait a second. What percent? We don't know. The percent is the X, and that's what we're looking for. 100 always goes down here. And right here, we're going to be putting the whole. Oh my goodness. And right here, we're going to be putting the whole of 36. Okay? So, we're going to follow the exact same procedure we did before. We're going to do what? We're going to multiply the two numbers across from each other and divide by the number across from the unknown. 9 times 100. Well, we don't even have to draw that one out. We know that anything times 100, we just add 2 zeros to the other number. So 9 times 100 is 900. We're going to divide that by the number across from the unknown, which is 36. Okay, so now remember, we're going to divide by the number across from the unknown. 36 goes into 9, well, we're actually going to be going into the 90. 36 goes into 90 2 times. 9 times 6 is 12. I'll put down the 2, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 72. Subtract that. I know it's going to end up being 18. And then I'm going to bring down that 0. Now, 36 into 180. I'm thinking about 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. Put down the 0. Carry 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Subtract, and I have nothing left over. There it is. 9 is what percent of 36? 9 is 25% of 36. Okay, we're going to do a different kind of a box method problem. 15 is 25% of what number? Now notice, we're equating the 15 with the 25%. We're saying 15 is 25% of what number? The of what number is the whole. And now remember, we're using the box method again. Remember, in the box, the part goes here, the whole goes here, the percent goes here, and 100 goes here. We're going to put our values into the box and then follow our procedure again. Let's just do it. We'll do it right here. I think by now we're getting the process down. 15 is always relates to the part. 15. 25%, well, you can see the 25. It's going to go right there in the percent. Of what number? Okay, of what number? Of always relates to the whole. We don't have the whole. That's going to be our X. And then 100 always goes here. Now, it's the exact same process we've been following. We're going to multiply the two numbers across from each other. The two that are diagonal to one another, we're going to multiply. We're going to divide by the number across from the unknown. So 15 times 100. I don't even need to draw that one out. We know that 15 times 100, we're simply going to add 2 zeros to the 15. And then we're going to divide by the number across the unknown, which would be 25. That's a little small. I hope you can see that. Now, here's the question. How many? We're going to divide this, and it's going to tell us what the whole is. 25 goes into the 15 now. 25 is going to have to go to 150. And if my math is correct, it's about 6 quarters going to $1.50. So 25 goes into 150 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus the 3 is 15. We're going to subtract that. We get 0. We're going to bring down our next number, 0. 25 goes into 0 times. 0 times 25 is 0. We subtract that out. There's our answer. 15 is 25% of what number? 15 is 25% of 60. So there it is again. The box method will solve any part, whole, or percent problem.